So I'm having friends over tonight, and I decided to make a little welcome gift when my friends get here. So I cut up some pieces of bread, chopped up some prosciutto, and topped off the top of it with a little bit of mozzarella. Right there, I made some brown butter. The stuff at the bottom of this brown butter, this is the caramelized sugars that come from the butter, and I usually place it on top. And the thing that makes brown butter delicious is those little caramelized pieces of sugar that look like burned. And then I fried some sage leaves in this brown butter. And then I'm gonna finish it off just like that, and everybody will get one welcome gift. One biters are great because it's one bite and then it's gone. And it makes it special.